In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert multiple images in Google Sheets. This is a handy feature that can enhance your data presentation or just make your spreadsheet a bit more visually appealing. So let's dive right in and walk through it step by step. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to Google Sheets. If you already have a specific sheet you want to add images to, go ahead and open that up. Otherwise, you can start a new spreadsheet. Once your sheet is open and ready to go, you're going to want to click on the Insert menu at the top of the screen. This is where you'll find most of the functions related to adding new elements to your sheet, including charts, links, and of course, images. After clicking Insert, you'll see an option labeled Image. Go ahead and click on that. Now at this point, you'll have a couple of choices. For today's purposes, we'll focus on inserting an image over the cells. This is helpful if you want to place an image without it being restricted to the size of an individual cell. Simply select Insert an image over the cells, and you'll be prompted with further options. Now you should see a window pop up with a button labeled Browse. Click on this to open your File Explorer. Here you have the opportunity to select images that you have saved on your device. It's worth noting that having all your images organized in a dedicated folder can save you a lot of time during this process, especially if you're planning on inserting multiple images at once. Once you've located the images you want to use, click to highlight your selected images. Just a little tip here. If you hold down the Control key on your keyboard, you can select multiple images at the same time. This can be a great way to speed up the process. When you've chosen your images, click Open, and say that the files will begin to upload to your Google Sheet. It is important to note that these images will initially be placed over the cells of your spreadsheet, so you can easily move and resize them as needed to fit your layout. To move an image, simply click and drag it to the desired location. You can also resize the image by clicking and dragging the corners. This flexibility allows for a customized presentation of your data, blending visuals and statistics seamlessly. And that's it. You've successfully inserted multiple images into your Google Sheets document. Feel free to experiment with placement and resizing to get the perfect look for your project. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tech tutorials.